Okay, Monica, here is the late night video number 2, and so I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So basically, one strategy is to use the equation that you suggested. So we can use this equation y, oops, already making a mistake there. Okay, y2 minus y1 equals m times x2 minus x1. Okay, so if you want to use this equation with the point, 4 is like your x1 and 5 is like the y1. It's not a very good y. Anyway, but basically you're going to put those numbers in. So you have y2 minus 5 equals 9 over 8 times x2 minus 4. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to use distributive property, because this 9/8 has to apply to this and to this part. So it applies to the x and the -4. So we can write this as y2 minus 5, and we can't do anything with that part yet, but we have 9/8 x sub 2 minus 9/8 times 4. Now here's where cancellation is going to happen. Okay, remember this is a minus sign, and I want to get rid of that little piece. Okay, so we cancel, and this becomes a 1, this becomes a 2. So now the new equation looks like y sub 2 minus 5 equals 9 over 8 x sub 2, and it's minus 9 over 2, right? Because we had 9 times 1 divided by 2, so this becomes 9 over 2. Now for the next part we have to put 5 to this side of the equation, so we add 5 to both sides, and I'm going to just write y equals 9 over 8x. Now I have to combine these two, so I'm going to make like a mini problem on the side here. And what I want to do is I want to change the 5 into something different, which is 10 over 2. Okay, so 10 over 2 is the same thing as 5. Okay, like if I were changing 5 into a fraction so that I have the right common denominator, I have to multiply top and bottom by 2 over 2. And that's what gives me 10 over 2. Okay, so when I combine these now, I get plus 1/2. So this is my final answer, and we're done.